In this video, you'll learn how to recover your Emergent AI account. This process involves a series of steps to reset your password and regain access to your account. Follow along carefully to ensure a successful recovery. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once the Google homepage loads, you should see the search bar prominently displayed in the center of the screen. This is where you will begin your search for Emergent AI. Next, type Emergent AI into the search bar and hit enter. The search results will populate the page with various links related to Emergent AI. Look for the official link to Emergent AI, which should be among the top results. This will typically be labeled clearly to indicate it is the official site. After that, click on the link that mentions Emergent Build Apps with AI. This action will redirect you to the Emergent AI website. Ensure that the page you land on looks familiar and includes options related to signing in or account management. Once you're on the Emergent AI homepage, locate the button labeled Continue with Email and click on it. This will direct you to the login section where you can access your account. If prompted, click on the Sign In button to proceed to the next step. Now look for the option that says Forgot Password and click on it. This link will guide you to the password recovery interface. On this page, you will find instructions to reset your password, which is essential for regaining access to your account. Next, click on the link that says Reset Your Password. This will take you to a form where you can enter your email address. It is important to make sure you use the email associated with your Emergent AI account. Type your email address into the provided field and then click on Send Reset Link. After this action, you should see a confirmation message that indicates the reset link has been sent to your email. Be aware that it may take a few minutes for the email to arrive, depending on your internet connection and email provider. Open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to your email provider, such as Gmail. Once you are in your inbox, look for an email from Emergent AI. This email will contain a link to reset your password. Click on the email titled Emergent to open it. Within this email, you will find a button or link labeled Reset Password. Click this link to continue the password reset process. You will be redirected to a new page where you can create a new password. Click on Create New Password to proceed. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the requirements, which usually includes at least 8 characters with at least one uppercase letter on one number. Type in your new password in the designated field. Then retype your new password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. It is vital to remember that both entries must match for the reset to be successful. After confirming your new password, click on Reset Password. This action will finalize your password change and enable you to log in with your new credentials. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.